This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, February 13th, 2013. Now our first look, the 0Z GFS Model Run. So at noon today, we have the storm system moving across the southeastern part of the country with the trough and another piece of energy coming in from the northwest over the Dakotas and Montana. And at the surface, we have the rain across the southeast, a bit of snow over the Ohio Valley, and a clipper system off to our north and west that'll be bringing some colder air to the state by later in the week. As we head into Thursday, that system to our northwest moves in. This could bring some flurries or some light snow showers. Little, if any, accumulation is likely, but temperatures will slide into the 20s here late in the day Thursday, and then on Friday it's much colder, highs in the 20s to lower 30s after highs Thursday in the upper 20s to lower 40s, so much colder here Friday. That lasts here into Saturday. Some snow across the Great Lakes, cold air diving all the way to the deep south. System to our northwest, a weak disturbance over the Dakotas on Saturday will move across the state here Saturday night. That could produce a flurry or two, and then Sunday winds switch around to the south, but temperatures will struggle to warm up to around 30, maybe some lower to middle 30s in the southwestern counties of the state. Monday, new storm system moves in. We could see some rain-snow mix, especially in the southeastern counties, with the low over Oklahoma and another over northwestern Minnesota. The two storms will phase into a big storm east of the state. Cold air dives back in here early next week on Tuesday. Some wraparound, could see some flurries or light snow showers at that time with temperatures in the 20s to lower 30s. And a week from today, that system lifts into the New England states and eastern Canada. We have another one over the Four Corners region diving in with energy there. And at the surface, in between the two storm systems, we'll have, well, pleasant weather with a few clouds and highs in the 20s to lower 30s as the winds switch around to the south and southeast by that time ahead of the next system. A couple days after that, on the 24th, we have another storm over the southwest, a fairly decent trough over the western half of the country. Peace energy over the southern and central plains, another over the south and west, and a storm system will be gathering over Colorado at this point. Gulf will be open up and some rain showers as close to us as maybe Omaha or Kansas City at that point. Snow over the west. And at the end of the forecast on February 28th, we have a cutoff low over the Arizona-Mexico border. The northern jet stream diving across Minnesota and the western Great Lakes, and that could bring a little bit of snow activity to our north. A little bit of snow activity over the south and west. Otherwise, around here, it looks fairly cold. Highs in the 20s to lower 30s, which will be a little bit below normal by that time. Last night's satellite image showed a storm system with a few clouds and a little bit of rain shower activity from the Carolinas and mid-Atlantic states south and westward to the Texas Gulf Coast, and some clouds with the Clipper system well off to our north and west as well. The watch warning map from last evening, we still had some flood issues over the south. Winter weather issues over Missouri, Arkansas, and into Oklahoma, and also across North Dakota with some wind advisories there. And elsewhere, it was fairly quiet across the country at this time. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest precipitation will be over the northwest into the Rockies and along the eastern seaboard with little, if anything, around here.